Thanks to Google, I'm walking on the road, which is crazy. And I hope the camera is good. Here we go. There's no pathway. This is the first time I've ever seen that it's a tourist attraction spot and you don't have a walking path, a sidewalk. And I hope my connection is stable now. And please excuse me for these loud noises. Like this. Yeah, it's better. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed Sherman Falls. It's amazing view. And it's very peaceful and quiet. And I was the only one yapping, talking with you guys. So I did get a lot of stares, and but that's okay. Like, I was just showing you guys the waterfalls. It's very peaceful. There isn't any clear pathway, so it's pretty much a hike. And I'm now here, walking. Where there's no road. So if you're in Canada and you want to experience like a small town vibe, but beautiful small town, I think you should visit Hamilton. It's on top of my list now that I've seen it. It's just an amazing place. And it's usually like people come over to Toronto. Well, I've lived in Toronto. I used to, not anymore. But you go from Toronto to Niagara Falls, and Hamilton is like right in the middle. If you get the opportunity, go there. It's worth it. It's a hike. It's uphill. And luckily, see, I'm not wearing my jacket. It's right here. Because it's beautiful weather out here. Somewhat in 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius. So, oh my god. It's quite steep. Okay, let me show you why I'm panting. Here. It's quite steep. That's like 40-degree slope. Let's take a breath. Alright. So, if you have any questions about healing, you can always drop in. I can help answer that. Channel that. Most of my answers could be channeled. They're channeled answers. So if I'm interacting with someone, I usually give them what they need. Before my journey, I didn't even know that I was doing this all along. But now I realize that it's what they want. So this is good. lanes. Like I said, I'm not gonna go to the other falls because, well, I can, but it's a long walk. And there's no trail, so it's gonna be on the road. And if there's no sidewalk, I don't want to do this again. See, that's the road. It dips down because that's the slope. It's a beautiful place, and I didn't realize that this is the best time to go out in nature because it's fall, and then you can see all the fall colors. So if you see those trees, oh, the sun, it's the sun. So they're all like different colors, and that's the best. Halloween. It's a beautiful small town. I didn't even realize that there's only like 1 lane, well, 2 lane coming and going road. That's like, I haven't seen these in quite some time. So I can like share about my healing journey. Hold on, I need to cross this road and then I'll share. So it's the belief systems which we hold very near to our chest and near to our heart, which actually causes us to see, that's the perception, through certain colored glasses. Okay, I got triggered, but why am I getting mad at another person? Yes, they might have done something, but that's up to them. Something wrong to irritate you. Yeah, that's up to them. But if you're perceiving, because you're also a part of that reality, and you're perceiving things that triggers you emotionally, then there's something inside of you that needs to change. It's not the outside. If you keep focusing on the outside, yeah, nothing's gonna change. You're only gonna get angrier and bitter and meaner, and keep on creating that, and it's gonna keep on perpetuating to an extent when that belief starts creating diseases in the body. That hate and that anger is gonna eventually cause some trouble in the bodily system, and which it eventually leads to cancer. And then you try to treat it with medicines. Well, those are only the outside things. When you start diving deep inside the mind and your thoughts and beliefs, especially the beliefs, is when you realize that it was all along you and how you perceive your reality. And those beliefs, once you flip it, and that's the paradigm shift. The paradigm shift is the flipping of your belief systems. Where am I going? Oh, hold on. Tiffany, there's no road. That's crazy. How can there's a lane for bicycle and there's no sidewalk. That's insane. Well, I'm gonna walk there, regardless. I knew it. there's not going to be any sidewalk. It's a tiny hilly place with no sidewalks and only 2 lanes for cars. 2 lanes in total. But there is a lane for bicycle, which is cute. So, if my hand gets tired of putting it up, I'll keep it like this. I'm sorry for the view, but that's the best I can do. And I'd like to show all of you the colors, the beautiful nature. Wow. I love this town. Very nice. I hope. Oh, it says unstable connection. Stupid connection. I'm sorry if you have if it keeps pausing. But it seems like that's how it is. Yeah, I'm sorry for the pause and unstable connection. Apparently they don't have a lot of connections. I like the houses here. A cute, beautiful town. Alright. That's how you heal yourself back to healing, is when you change the paradigm of the beliefs that you're holding. You release that, you change your paradigm. But to get to that point, you have to get really in tune, and everyone has the ability to do this with spirit, God, source, higher self, any guidance that you receive, intuitive guidance. You feel it, and you know it, you can hear it. So what I do is I ask a lot of questions. Maybe not a lot, but I keep on asking questions until I hit the point where I know what belief I'm holding. And those answers come in some crazy, unexpected ways. The beliefs that you're holding. And sometimes it may take, just to decode what's inside of you, sometimes it can take about a week to maybe 2-3 weeks just to find that answer, what you're looking for. But that is only during the initial stage. I can put up my earphones. That would be a better idea. Okay, I hope this works. Please use wire. Oh. Okay, it says you can't use. Okay, so it's gotta be like this. So it's only in the initial stages of your healing. And if you want to change what's not working for you to something that is actually working for you, is to follow that guidance that you're getting. It may start off like I have a lot of examples I can give. So it may start off just by anything, any emotional trigger. So you can start this at any point of your life if you're willing, because it takes, we're all strong souls here, but if you're a light worker, there's a very good chance, if you're a light worker, that the path and the life has not been easy. It has been challenging, with a lot of challenges. That's because we're supposed to raise our vibration and change And diving into that belief system is where the magic is, because once you flip that, you actually change not only the physical reality, but you align with your higher self. So if there's any disease, say, so you're having, I used to have a lot of sinus, well, now I realize it wasn't just only me, but I was healing others. But I did have a lot of sinus issues and mucus, like, because it was all my face, everything was affected here. And there were times when I was not able to breathe in. So I started diving deep, and at that time I was living in New Delhi, that is in India. And it's really the most polluted place. So I started diving deep into why am I even having it? So the answer came is because I believe this to be true, that it's affecting me, when nothing outside of you can actually affect you unless you believe it to be true. So me believing that it's true, yeah, that it's actually affecting me, that was the catch. Once I flipped it, once I let it go, and I said, no, it's not. And the way you do it is actually loving your inner child. That is your energy. That is your higher self. It's all one. And you love it and you release it and you feel the release from your heart. So it's about feeling that release taking place from your heart, feeling the love expand, giving it to your inner child. I tend to picture my inner child, and it's kind of like as if I'm holding something onto it, like the kid is holding onto it, but I'm giving love to it so that the kid releases. And once that grip releases is when you actually feel true. You're giving the love that you want and letting go of that old belief. So that's how I tend to do it. It works for me. But whatever works for you, go for it. Give that love, and all of a sudden when I started changing, and it's not just one. So if anything pops up, any condition, it may not be just one belief that you're holding. It may be like thousands, like 100, maybe not 1,000, but 100 beliefs, or just 10 beliefs, or maybe 2. But for me, it's never been one belief, but it's been a multitude of beliefs that I had to let go. Like, that's not true, because we are experiencing this. And once you started putting truth in between, letting go of these old small beliefs that, yeah, that's not true, like, you realize it, you feel it, that's not true, let go, move on to the next, until you feel comfortable enough that it's gone. Like, that reality that was creating the mess, that is gone. You've let go of that whole situation, and everything, it's gonna be like, it's not gonna affect you. It is, we create a lot in our reality, and it turns out to be negative because of those belief systems. Anything, I do believe that yes, there is a thing like about, sorry about the noise, there's a thing about like magic, and you know, people doing black magic on you, yes, but they cannot affect you. Here's why. Is because you're not allowing it, you're not focusing on it, and you don't believe it. So if you don't believe it, they can't affect you. I've been through that, and people were affecting me, but that's because they attached to one sort of belief that I hadn't yet uncoded. That makes sense. Right? It's about uncoding it's truly about uncoding the beliefs that you're holding. And there comes a point, now I've reached to a stage where I know instantly that something's not aligned with me, it doesn't feel right, and I start diving deep into it. And like, so a lot of past life things come forward. You may do past life regression, but it's not really required, honestly, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be experiencing the same thing. If you haven't anything released from the past life, you're going to be experiencing the same thing in this life, just in a different form. So there's no point in, like, you can for fun, but I don't believe like it's my personal belief. You can do whatever you want. To do it, because the answers to uncover that part of reality which is not working for you, you can find the answer in this life itself. All you need to do is just like, I uncovered certain, like, sit back and ask the question. Sometimes we get too emotionally involved in it, like involved in our emotions, which stop, like, if you focus too much on your emotions and keep sulking instead of asking the answers, that's the switch, like, that you need to make to find the answer to your problem, because then you're gonna go off in another tangent which you don't want to go in, because that's gonna be another sort of a reality, and then you have to get back to point A to figure out where you want to go. What you want to ask. So sticking to our question for our reality is like what's triggering us, sticking to that until we get all the answers and clearing out all the past stuff, that's where I think the strength comes in, the willpower. And it's the mental aptitude, but you gotta stick through it. There's no other way. If I've seen many people and I was the same too, keep focusing on the outside, it's gonna be like you're gonna be hung up in the middle still, and that thing won't be cleared from the past. So it's all about unwrapping your Akashic records, and this is how you do it. Yeah. Awesome. Hey, I hope I think I've reached. Well, there wasn't any trek, which I thought there was. So Google was showing me that there's a trekking trail over here. There's no trekking trail, by the way. But I think this is where it is, because I see quite a lot of cars parked. Yay. There's the other falls. In this area, there may be like seven waterfalls. I'm feeling someone. I'm sorry. Someone's got a bad headache. Okay, so just for your information, so these plants, I'm on a roadside, right? This plant, I didn't know, but I checked out. This is like edible, and these are like it's considered very healthy. You can, well, I'm not gonna use this because I think that the man that who was giving information about these flowers, he said it's better to harvest between August and September. That's when they have the most nutrients, and like now it's like withering because it's fall. You put it in the water, you cleanse it, you put it in the water, and you can drink. No idea. Never tried it. And he said it's tasty. So maybe. Alright. Here we are. I'm gonna show you the notice board where we are. Remain on gravel trail. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Trails are not maintained during winter months. Thank you. That's why I'm here. Ah, so this is the trail. So where's the fall? Oh look! A bee. Oh baby. So cute. That's crazy. I hope, can anyone even see where the waterfall is? Okay. Alright, so how did I even reach there? It's not possible. What crazy. Oh, I was supposed to go here. I don't know. I think I took a wrong road. I didn't have the map on. It's on this phone. So if you can hold on, give me a second, I'll turn the map on. Okay, I am in the right area. I'm gonna show you around. Here. So this is the area to the falls. Currently it said stay on the gravel road, which is covered with leaves and you can't see it. Okay, there you go. It's beautiful. I may need to have some water soon once I reach Tiffany Falls. There we go. Oh, it says good connection. That's good. Wow, I would love to go down there. Okay. I'm gonna just click some photographs. I'll give you guys some quiet time. Hey, Maria. So beautiful. Okay, let me. Thanks, Maria. I just want you guys to just, enjoy the silence. It's beautiful. I think the best part about this trip is that it's the weather. It's very beautiful weather, especially because it's fall and it's warm. That matters. Ugh, the connection. Hold on. It says unstable connection, so if it runs out, please let me know. Just give me a second. If you can't, if it's frozen, let me know. It's in the woods. Okay, I know it's sad to stay on the road. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna click some pictures. Beautiful nature photography. You can see around. It's okay. Awesome. Thank you. Wow. Incredible. It is. I think I like this place better than, the other one. That's cool air. Wow, beautiful. I want to share this with. Okay. Thank you. I think Kristen should be home. She can join in if she wants to. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures. Give me a second. Oh, this is so beautiful. Awesome. Oh, they're sweet. Very cute falls. Very cute. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down once I reach there, so you guys can enjoy it. I'm just trying to, go to that place near the falls. So I'll be sitting down there. Mama? Oops, I should have worn another shoe. I wanted to sit, so just a second.
Mama!
No, I'll be taking pictures.
Mama, what happened if I fall down? Mama, what happened when you threw up? Mama, look at me.
Yeah, I'll be sitting here for quite some time, so give me a second. I just need to find a good place because it's like all rocky. Yeah. I think. Oh, I don't want spiders, so I'm just gonna go a little bit ahead. Finding a good space. This is better. I like these folds.
What are you doing, Mom? You're trying to get it up to throw up. Where? Eat it. And there's a good amount of spot.
Okay, I can sit here. Give me a second. I want to find a good spot. Sit on a tree that's wet. Great. Doesn't matter. Enjoy. There you go. There's a lot of healing going around. Hi everyone, come enjoy the peaceful place. So I'm at Waterfalls and I'm gonna stay here. I think I wanna go sit near that log, but in a while. I'm not sure how stable the connection is. So there's water here too. Where I'm sitting. It's a great place. I'm sitting on this tree. Click some pictures. Oh, thank you, Kristen. Hi. Oh, I haven't shared this with Rick. I'll share it. Hold on. It's a very peaceful place. I like the energy of this place too. So, I just want to give you guys a view. I'll bring it up to me later on. And there's water here. I'm sitting here. It's a very uncomfortable spot, but that's okay. Where I'm sitting. There. Okay, I'm gonna go near to the place. Okay, near to the waterfall. So give me a second. I have to take it. Bye Maria, thank you for joining, and I hope you had some good time. See you later, love and light. You're welcome, it's my pleasure. I'm taking pictures. Okay. I'm gonna do it like this. Hold on. I was taking pictures. What's this? Okay. This can be like an ASMR thing. This is so fun. You can just relax. So I have this, and I'm gonna put these videos. Alright. I hope you're doing good, Christy.
That's like a basic. Like a basic
I want to sit here. There's a lot of noise. Just give me a second. Wait, give me a second. Some of the nature's wonders. I'm gonna enjoy some time here, and I'll see you next time whenever I do live. And I hope you enjoyed this beautiful place. That's where I came from, so there you go. It's amazing. I've got some healings to do, and I'll see you later. Bye, Kristen. Have a good time. Thank you for joining. Bye.